Yes, good day, my fellow people. As the chairman of the ruling party, I am here to present to you the next governor of Edo State. His name is Seki Oba. He is a graduate in the University of California. He went to school in India. He graduated from Afghanistan. Now he has his master's degree in Ile-Ife. He is the secret, the backbone behind my government. He is even the one that brings the second generation back to our country. In short, to our Edo State. Don't vote for Iyamu because Iyamu is a thief. He is going to brutalize everything in the state. I did tell you now, don't vote for Ize. Don't vote for him. Vote for Sekiba. Sekiba is the person that will take us to the promised land. Excuse me, my phone is ringing. Wait, hello. Ranka Dede, sir. His Excellency. Good morning, sir. What? You drop me? You want to drop me as the chairman of this party? Huh. Wallahi, President, I go tell everybody who they rule. I go tell everybody who they for that Aso Rock. No. Everybody get skeleton for a cupboard, Mr. President, I go tell the Nigeria who they rule for Aso Rock if you drop me as the chairman. Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, please, I'm very busy now. I'm addressing the nation. You go and think of what I just told you now. If you drop me, I open your nyash. Rankadede, sir. Goodbye. Let's come back. Like I said before, Sekiba will give us everything we want in Edo State. No godfatherism. I leave you guys. I'm coming back. Let me go on, make some vital call because the president is threatening to drop me as the chairman of the party. 1 minute. Yeah, you guys should happy. I've been reinstated back as the chairman. But the truth of the matter is this. Mr. Obaseki is not loyal. Mr. Seki is not loyal. For that reason, we have to bring back Ize. Huh? Yes, we have to bring him back. We have to bring him. Ize Yamu is not a thief. Ize Yamu is a good man. He's a pastor. Obaseki did not go to school. He don't have certificate. So we are not going to give him the second chance. I know say now maybe the chairman. As I short so, my mind is long. This country we go arrange them. Go arrange them well. I live una. Oshobaba, wise for yourself. Wise for yourself. Me small pikin no can go. They use you. They play ball. I leave you. Now small advice I can't give you. You see the way you take the gamble with people's mind. Oshomole. The way they play with people's mind. You don't first play with president mind. You even threaten president. Up till now, they lock down on one side. Now you tell us, say, Obaseki go school for the whole world. So they go reach India and Kafancha. Now you see, can they tell us now, say, he not go school, he not get certificate. We hear you. Now you first come outside though, can tell us, say, is there Yamu not go fit hold any government office? Say because if he hold any government office, now thief he go thief. Now you now again still they come out now, cause they tell us now again say make we vote is there Yamu. You know say one thing for this life, Upopo na yagbi yawo, ayagbi yale. It don't dey pain you now. Now when you don't dey climb go the top now, you need that godfatherism. You don't forget people when you first do that thing too. Only you one, you don't first step on the toe of presidency. Only you one, you step on the toes of even our own state now. Only you one use your mouth to say this person good. Only you one still they use your mouth now till they talk say this person not good because of your personal interest. But now only one word now I get for people when they listen to you, when still they listen to me now. Any man when he gets double mind, he know they ever did this stable. Adam Oshomole, you have beaten more than you can chew. And I will advise the APC party, if they not quick remove you, drop you, come off for there. You, when you call yourself the party chairman, now you want crumble that party. Like for Edo State now, presently now, you don't already give APC, useless name. You don't already let us know for Edo State now, say, APC, when you the chairman, say, it's all about lies, lies, lies. The truth of the matter be say, you they overuse your office as a chairman. But the thing they pay me where say, you really get waiting, you take all your other party members for broadcast. That is why up till now, they still they watch you, say, you they want collapse their party. Though not be say, people like me first believe on that party. But would they believe say, yes, changes go come. But changes when they come now. Now the ones when we don't already they assume follow now say yes, see how na be, see how na be, see how na be, see how na be, no good thing. The one when you can't do now, this very year, so 2020, you know say they say na small shit, na this 10 years. APC national chairman, they say na small shit, na this 10 years. And a small yam, na this scatter fire. You don't come let us know now, say, we're not supposed to believe your word again. You, Adam Oshomole, you don't come let us know now, say, yes, the plan when you get for mind, now evil, not be good one. The only thing when I go still talk now, APC, if una know say una read like una party, una want make that name till they continue. Make una quick find solution to Adam Oshomole problem. Adam Oshomole get problem. In your own personal problem now don't they affect the country. Now this same Adam Oshomole now tell us say if the president of Nigeria drop him as the national chairman, say he go expose the president. That one are the reason why una never still drop him. But for him to carry in mouth come up from federal now, come inside our Edo State, now there, now we go help una. Let him know say we don't to see in dirty when they put for inside people food. That food, we go force the Adam Oshomole, he go eat that food by himself. You no go fit come tell us lies 4 years ago. Then because of say yes, waiting you they find when you not get. The thing will make you lie to all of us, we all, say make we vote for Obaseki. You not get them. Now you can't come out again. The same person when you first warn us, you Adam Oshomole, now you first warn those states of Pastor Ize Iyamu. Now you again now, then you want to talk one word. You say na politics. That means the kind of politics when you and your government and your party they run is all about lies, lies, lies. You be person when they travel where you they go Europe, they see everything. Now so democracy they operate? No. Mr. Adam Oshomole. Now you first come out after they reinstate you, when they don't drive you as their chairman, when they bring you come back. The first one you put your mouth, I don't know the day when you become doctor. I don't know which office you do. Oh, your party now you the chairman. You they say you go call the so-called doctors, may they come give you record about the coronavirus pandemic. You know say you they overstep your boundary. We from Edo State, we not go tolerate that nonsense from you. We from Edo State, we not go agree. Make you carry that your stupid character. I call am stupid character. Can't take scatter Edo State. For that gospel reason, Adamu Shomole, you need to be dropped. They need to expel you come out from that party. In short, he get waiting with the call Aburo. Okay, Kenya mu Aburo. As Adamu Shomole be so, they suppose excommunicate you come out from the party, excommunicate you come out from everything when you get to do with public office, because you are causing commotion, you are causing confusion, you are causing division, both among your party and even we that are just the common masses. We not go tolerate that. And if this APC not could find solution to this their so-called national chairman, when he come in own mouth come dey loud pass even the governors, the president of the country, if they not could find solution to Adamu Shomole, believe me honestly, we the common masses will go help and find the solution. Yes, now we go help and find the solution. Adamu Shomole, not be you get Edo State. You only the chairman APC as a party. No can they tell us for Edo State, may we behave like fool. No. No can they impose, no can they force us say, now this one you want. We don't need them. And those of una when still they clap and they fall, sure they say bird of the same feather flies together. If you reach check people when they clap and they follow this Adamu Shomole, now the same people when still get that kind of mentality. And the mentality when you get Adamu Shomole, whether in politics or anything, I'm challenging you, Adamu Shomole. Call me for interview or let us do anything like debate when it be say concern government. May you see and say yes, your own mentality as regard government now just to one side, and government not be like that. Government is very wide, very broad. You feel gathered out for night one day, you say now so that they plan to assassinate you. You when you say they want to assassinate from airport, then you constantly gather boys in the night, they give them wrong orientation. Those same boys when you gather, now then go beat you very soon. Yes, now. Because now you don't they behave now like small pikin. Even the way you they talk safe now, the way they talk safe now, it don't already disqualify you as a leader. Say, person when you don't feel exposed in secret to us, the things when you do, the evil things when you do, now that's the person now you they bring come out. Say, make they come vote for. Governor when they sit, you say you not qualified to become governor because your certificate not complete. Then why una never still in pinch and come up from there? It not happen like that. Adamu Shomole, gbowe yigbe, gbowe yigbe, sew your coat according to your size. All this oversize when you go the wear so, oversize when you go the wear so, frankly speaking, some of us need those extras. More physically so shirt for ourselves. Wear your coat, the one when go size you. You don't too go far, frankly speaking. But I tell you one gospel truth. This one when you do so, now it will bring your downfall. Both for your political career or for everything, it will bring your downfall. You know why you want to expose president, Abi? Now make them retain you as their chairman for the party. No worry, you go expose everybody very soon. But not forget, say you when bend down they look person yash. Another person bend down they look your own too. Adamu Shomole, one boy. You don't to cause wahala for Edo State, You don't to cause wahala, One boy.